Are you considering purchasing a drink package for your upcoming cruise? It's a common question, and one that can have a significant impact on your vacation budget. Here are a few crucial factors to consider that will help you make the best decision for your cruise experience. Step 1 in this process is to dive deep into the terms and conditions of the drink package you're eyeing. Each cruise line has its own set of rules and restrictions. Some packages might limit the types of beverages available, or even the times when you can redeem them. It's crucial to know exactly what's included and what's not before you commit. Moving on to the second step, it's time to do some simple math. Try to estimate how many drinks you normally consume in a day, and compare that to the cost of the drink package. If you're a light drinker, the package might not offer the best value for your money. On the other hand, if you enjoy several drinks throughout the day, the package could end up saving you a substantial amount. The third and final step is to consider any additional charges that might be tacked onto your bill. Gratuities and service charges are often added to the cost of the drink package. These extra fees can add up quickly, so be sure to include them in your budget calculations. To recap, when deciding whether to purchase a drink package for your cruise, remember these 3 steps. Understand the terms, calculate your daily drink consumption against the package cost, and factor in any additional charges. Following these steps will ensure you make a well-informed decision that best suits your vacation needs. Remember, every cruise experience is unique, and so are the drinking habits of every traveler. Take the time to assess your personal preferences and needs before making a decision. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more insightful travel tips and advice. Safe sailing!